Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export or how to render a project or a video in Davinci Resolve. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. But first we need to go into Davinci Resolve here. We double click on it and wait until it's opening. Now once open we need to choose our specific project. I got this one here. I want to double click on it to open the project. In here I get the project open. I need to import or export this video. So here in this bar I'll go to the right and click on this option, choose this one, and once I click here, as you can see, we get this one, the render. We can choose entire timeline or in out range. So for example, we'd like the video to start here, so we click on I. We would like the video to end here, for example, so we choose O. So that means ends and out. But for me, I would like to export the entire timeline. So here we can choose a ready customization, for example, this one, or even though we can choose YouTube or even more options we got for Instagram and TikTok and so on. Just once you swipe to the right, you can see them. But I would like to go for custom export. So here I'm going to change the file name, for example, to video 1. And this is the location. Once you click on browse, you can change the video location to save it in either any specific file that you got. And here, as you can see, render, single clip, individual clip, just make it on render. As you can see here, we got video, audio, and file. Just go for video and make sure to click on this one, export video. The format is MP4, the most famous format for any video. The codec, just make it H.264, encoder auto, and make this on optimization. This is the resolution for the video. You can choose any resolution you got, even though up to 4K and 8K, but in my case, I'd like to make it on 1920, 180 HD. You can even choose use vertical resolution, but I don't want to choose this. The frame rate, 25. If this video has more than 25 or even 60 frames per second, you can choose them, but I got this video only 25%. I got this video only 25 frames. And here on encoding profile, just make it on high. You can change it, but I'll make it on high. And keyframes, automatic or every, make it automatic if you got a keyframes. And then click on this option to add to render queue. And once you click on it, the video will be exported, and that's gonna take a little bit of time depending on the video size and how many effects and frames you got in the video. That's how we can export or render a project on Davinci Resolve. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.